Okay, Loudepot back here with a neat little trick about figuring out the loop length. And the loop length, say you were going to do like I did in mine, I'll give you a perfect example, to calculate how much tubing you have to buy if you have a certain size square foot floor. And it's as simple as times 1.5. Now, my kitchen floor happened to be 10 foot by 20 foot, so I'll give you an example. I didn't know exactly how much tubing to buy, but if you do 10 foot times 20 foot, you come up with 200 square foot of flooring. So to buy the proper amount of looping or piping for that, it's times and a half. So 200 times 1.5 is obviously 300, so that's easy. So you would take your 200 and times it by 1.5. And you'd wind up with 300. 200 plus half of 200. So if you need to do quick math in your head, while I have such and such size of floor, it's times 1.5. So it's the size of the floor plus half of it. And then that would be how much lineal footage of tubing you would have to buy to do that floor. And by the way, when you're calculating a kitchen, try not to put radiant heat under a refrigerator. Refrigerators give out heat. They take it from inside and place it outside where you don't want it. It's very easy for a refrigerator to place heat into cool. Remember, heat goes to cool. It's very difficult for a refrigerator to place heat into an area that's already hotter than it's trying to let go of it. So it can do it, but it fights a lot more and the compressor works a lot harder and the electric bill goes higher. So try to keep the radiant heat out from under the refrigerator. Under the cabinets it doesn't really matter, but under the refrigerator it does. Okay, that's important. Next we're going to look at a few charts. So instead of me writing 1,000 numbers up on the whiteboard here, I'm going to actually take the camera and put it at the charts, and then I'll go into details about the numbers for you, which will really, really help you in calculating the BTUs you need for that room properly, so when you do the job, you're only doing it once. Okay?